What if I told you that your savings account could work harder for you without requiring any extra effort? That's right, no additional work, no hidden tricks. Just a smarter way to grow your money. But is the American Express high-yield savings account the right choice for you? Let's break it down. When it comes to saving money, we all want the best bang for our buck. Traditional savings accounts often offer interest rates so low that they barely keep up with inflation. Enter high-yield savings accounts, a game changer in the world of personal finance. And among the many options out there, the American Express high-yield savings account has garnered significant attention. But why? What makes it stand out? And are there any downsides you should be aware of? Let's explore the pros and cons of this account so you can decide whether it's the right fit for your financial goals. The pros: why people love it. Competitive interest rate. The American Express high-yield savings account offers an annual percentage yield, APY, of 3.7% as of February 2025. That's nearly 10 times higher than the national average savings rate of 0.41%. While it might not be the absolute highest rate among high-yield accounts, it's still a strong contender and significantly better than what traditional banks offer. No minimum deposit. One of the standout features is its accessibility. You can open this account with $0, making it an excellent option for those just starting their savings journey or anyone who wants to avoid large upfront deposits. No monthly fees. Nobody likes fees eating into their hard-earned money, and with this account, you don't have to worry about monthly service charges. Whether your balance is $10 or $10,000, you won't lose a penny to maintenance fees. Daily compounding interest. The interest on your savings compounds daily and is deposited monthly. This means your money grows faster over time because you're earning interest on both your initial deposit and the interest that accrues each day. FDIC insurance. Safety is paramount when it comes to your savings, and American Express delivers here as well. Your deposits are insured by the FDIC up to $250,000 per individual account holder or $500,000 for joint accounts. This ensures your money is protected even in the unlikely event of a bank failure. 24/7 customer support. Need help in the middle of the night? No problem. American Express offers round-the-clock phone support for its banking customers, a feature not all banks provide. No excess transaction fees. Unlike some banks that penalize you for making too many withdrawals from a savings account, American Express doesn't charge excess transaction fees. The cons: what you should consider. No mobile banking app. Surprisingly, American Express does not offer a dedicated mobile app for its banking customers. In today's digital age, this can be a significant drawback for those who prefer managing their finances on the go. Limited features. While this account excels at being a straightforward savings tool, it lacks some features that other banks provide, such as ATM access or integration with checking accounts. Not the highest APY. Although 3.7% APY is competitive, there are other online banks offering slightly higher rates. If maximizing your earnings is your top priority, you might want to shop around before committing. No physical branches. Like many online-only banks, American Express doesn't have physical branch locations. If you prefer in-person banking or need access to cash quickly, this could be inconvenient. Initial deposit requirement. While there's no minimum deposit to open an account, you must fund it within 60 days of opening, or risk having it closed. This isn't a deal breaker for most people, but is worth noting if you're not ready to move funds immediately. Variable interest rate. The APY on this account isn't fixed. It fluctuates based on market conditions and Federal Reserve policies. While rates are currently high, they could decrease in the future if economic conditions change. No live online chat. Although phone support is available 24/7, there's no live chat option on their website, a feature many competitors now offer for quick assistance. Who is this account best for? The American Express high-yield savings account is ideal for people looking for a simple and reliable way to grow their savings. Those who don't need frequent access to their funds or ATM withdrawals. Individuals who value strong customer support and FDIC insurance. savers who already use other American Express products and want to keep their finances under one roof. However, if you're someone who prioritizes mobile app functionality or wants access to higher APYs elsewhere, this might not be the best fit for you. How does it compare to other high-yield savings accounts? Let's address one common question. Is 3.7% APY enough? Compared to traditional banks offering less than 1% APY, it's an excellent rate. But when stacked against competitors like SoFi or Marcus by Goldman Sachs, some of which offer slightly higher rates, it may fall just short of being the best. That said, choosing a high-yield savings account isn't just about chasing the highest rate available today. It's also about finding a bank that aligns with your overall needs and preferences. Is it worth it? So, should you open an American Express high-yield savings account? Here's the bottom line. If you're looking for a straightforward way to grow your money with no fees or minimum deposits and don't mind managing your finances without a mobile app, this account is definitely worth considering. It offers competitive rates and peace of mind through FDIC insurance while keeping things simple and hassle-free. However, if mobile banking features or squeezing out every last percentage point of interest matters more to you, exploring alternatives might be worthwhile. And there you have it, the pros and cons laid out clearly, so you can make an informed decision about whether this account fits into your financial strategy. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.